Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If your Android phone is suddenly speaking everything you tap, reading the screen out loud, or behaving differently when you touch it, do not worry. This is called TalkBack. In this video, I will show you how to quickly turn off TalkBack on Android and bring your phone to normal. And before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Turn off using volume buttons. Turn off through settings. Simple touch guide. And a bonus tip to prevent it from turning on again. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, turn off using volume buttons. This is the fastest way to turn off TalkBack. Press and hold volume up plus volume down at the same time for 3 seconds. If you see a prompt, tap Turn off TalkBack. This method works on most Android phones, including Samsung devices. Step number 2, turn off through settings. If the shortcut doesn't work, use settings instead. Go to settings, accessibility, tap TalkBack, then switch it off. Turn off TalkBack. Once disabled, your phone will immediately return to normal touch behavior. Step number 3, simple touch guide. If TalkBack is still active, your phone will respond differently. Here's what to do. Tap once, select an item, highlight it. Double tap, opens or confirms it. Swipe with 2 fingers, scroll up or down. Example, to open settings, tap settings once, then double tap to open it. This helps you navigate while turning TalkBack off. Bonus tip, to avoid accidentally turning it on again, go to settings, accessibility, TalkBack, shortcut. Then turn off the shortcut options if you don't use it. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to turn off TalkBack on Android. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions in mind, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.